Hey, welcome back to another great RC Worst video. Today we're going to be walking you through the quick start of the Pentek Intellidrive, otherwise known as the PID. Today we've just got a demo unit in here in the studio, and so when you get this thing hooked up to power, the first thing that you're going to see is this screen right here, and what I'm going to do is walk you through the super quick and simple process of getting this thing running. All right, so the first menu we're looking at, we have to select between single phase and three phase. So depending on what your motor is, you will need to set that accordingly. In the case of this example, we're going to use three phase. Now you have to select whether it's submersible or above ground pump. Well, in this case, we're going to be using a submersible. Now what we're doing is setting the service factor amps, and I would recommend you refer to the owner's manual because there is some information in here depending on what type of motor you're using that you may have to either use the faceplate values or values that are in the booklet. So pay attention to that. For the case of this little tester pump that we have here, or tester motor we have here, I'm simply going to set this to an arbitrary value of 0.5 amps because it's just an itty bitty little tester motor. Make sure you set that accordingly. The next thing that we're going to do is establish our date and time, and then we can go ahead and hit enter. I'm not going to go ahead and run through that. We set the, this is the date section, so we would set the date accordingly. Today is, February, I guess it's March, isn't it? It's March 3rd or 4th, somewheres, 21. Boom. All right, so as we can see, I've set up the date and time, and once I hit that final enter button, it took us to this screen. This screen shows the current PSI in the system, or the pressure in the system, and it's basically set to run. We are currently stopped. If we hit the auto start button, it's going to go ahead and operate automatically based on the default set point of 60 PSI. Now, your drive is set up and ready to run at 60 PSI. If you want to make any adjustments or get deeper into this drive, we are going to be doing more videos, more in-depth videos, but I thought it would be helpful to have a quick start guide to go ahead and get your system up and running once it's already been installed and connected electrically. All right, well, that's it. Short, simple, sweet. Just like it is to own one of these, a very good experience. So if you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. Again, reminder, we're going to be doing some more in-depth videos. I want to do kind of an installation type video, and I want to do kind of some hidden, or rather tips and tricks that are associated with this product. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps our channel out greatly. A lot of the people that are watching these videos are not subscribed. So don't forget, like, subscribe. We will see you next time.